I got the keys to the universe, so stay with me. Cause I got the keys, babe. Don't wanna wake up one day wishing that we done more. I wanna live fast, never look back, it's what we're here for.
Yay, Brownies! Brownies galore! Homemade brownies.
Well, it's kind of homemade because it's already pre-mixed for us, but this is the best brownie mix, guys.
It's also Mommy and Drayson's favorite dessert.
Is it our favorite?
And this is for the brownies.
That is for the brownies.
It is.
Okay, there in the background we have dinner.
It's ready.
It is actually ready, so we're gonna breeze through this this brownie mix. And
we're gonna let the kids make it today.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun. Y'all excited?
Yeah.
okay, can you tell me what ingredients we need so we can grab them?
We need a cup of water, we need a cup of vegetable oil, and 1 egg.
Okay, who wants to help Dad get the ingredients?
Okay, let's start.
Drayson, go with Dad and he'll get it for you.
We need a bowl. So we got a bowl.
Put the bowl on the counter.
And we need something to mix it with. Okay?
Yeah.
That's what color you want?
Yeah,
We'll do
that's
red.
my favorite.
Let's do
That's
red.
my favorite color.
Now, it said we need oil.
Oil, I think it's
Yeah.
1/4. Let's see.
How much is it?
It says
1/4.
Oh, it's not focusing.
1/4 of what?
1/4 a cup of water. So you need the cups behind it.
Okay.
And then 1/2 a cup of vegetable oil and 1 egg.
Half a
This
cup
one.
of vegetable
Is
oil?
it this one?
Please, baby.
Half a cup of that much oil?
Yes. Austin's never made this brownie
Is this
mix
good for your
before.
That's a lot of oil. Now come on, kids.
Hold on, I gotta put that back. We just need an egg from here.
Just an egg, okay? So we'll get an egg.
Can I carry it?
Okay.
Can I carry it?
Oh, we're
Here you
just
go.
all the eggs. Okay, I'm gonna set you guys on the counter so I can be a part of the cooking experience.
Now, Mom's the best at following these instructions.
Okay.
Let me grab it. There you go.
We got 1 fresh egg.
The chef, the baker is in the building. Okay, so first, what does it say to do first?
Cup of water.
No, this is first step.
Oh. Preheat oven to 325.
Please Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
So the oven's already actually preheated to 325, so that's ready. So all we need to do is just mix
And
everything.
it says prepare baking pan by lightly greasing it.
Who wants to
I
lightly
do.
grease it?
I do.
Lightly grease
Me
it.
too. Me too, Mom. Me too.
Okay, you guys can both do it. How about that?
Oh, Jesus.
Here, put that in.
This is great.
Okay.
Me and Tristan.
You gonna go first? Spray it. Spray it. You gotta look. You gotta point this way. Ready?
I can't see.
You ready? Push this like this. Ooh. Do it again.
You need to pull it back.
I know. You just try to let him do it. There you go. Okay.
My
Now,
turn.
Rylann.
This side?
Yeah, go.
I'm just gonna film you.
Okay, that's done.
I don't really need to be in the video. I'm just gonna film y'all because you guys can't see. Okay, so they semi-lightly grease the pan. It's okay.
Yeah, do it help.
I accidentally got on my hands.
Okay, we've got the pan sprayed.
Spread.
Now, what do the next directions say? They say
Cup of vegetable oil.
place water, oil, and egg in a medium bowl and stir until fully mixed. Okay, so in here we're going to add
Egg.
the water. So water's first. So 1/4 cup of water.
I gotta go pee.
Okay, someone's got to take a potty break. Make sure and wash your hands while you're in there. Actually, we'll pause so he can be a part of it.
Oh.
BRB, Apple fan. And look who's back. Yes, he washed his hands too. Okay, so we're going to add the water. So it says 1/4 cup of water. So you're gonna go ahead and pour the water in there.
Wait, my hands are slippery because of it. Okay, open that for me.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Alright, stop.
Okay, I'm gonna put it.
Oh, I have to, but it might spill. So let's put that. There you go.
Got
Put
the
that back
water.
on. Okay, there's the water.
Okay, now we forgot to grab vegetable oil.
Okay, let's put that.
So, Dad, you want to
So vegetable oil goes into
Here,
here.
Rylann, you hold it if you want to pour it in.
You wanna-
Okay.
No, you hold the thing.
What thing? Oh.
Okay. You gotta hold it correctly so it doesn't spill. Oh, you're spilling it.
There you go.
Wash your hands too, Dad.
I
I
will.
gotta go wash them right now.
And now where we're at.
Okay, now Dracy, you can go ahead and add the egg into the bowl.
No, baby.
It's okay, that would have been funny. Okay. Very good. You actually did really good.
I know, that was
That
fun.
was not bad at all.
You should actually do that, Mom.
Okay, now after you add those ingredients, go ahead and blend them until they're fully mixed.
I'm assuming the next step is to pour this in.
Yeah, I have no idea where the box went, yeah. Let me see, let me read. Yeah, add brownie mix and stir until well blended.
Here you go, Jason. Pour it in.
Pour it in, and Rylann, you can mix it.
All of it?
Yeah, start mixing.
Whoa, eggs turning black now.
There we go.
Whoa, look at this goodness. Good stuff. Taste them. Look at that. That's a lot.
You know what? I thought it would be a lot more messy with these kids, but
How do you think they're doing?
I give them an A.
A. A for effort, guys.
Oh, skinny crap.
The final test when we taste the product, that'll be when you get your
Put it
grade.
this way because you can see it. This is what it looks like. Yeah, too big. I gotta keep stirring until you see nothing.
Yeah, get the stuff off the edge of it.
Here, let me daddy assistance real quick.
Okay, Daddy's turn.
Okay, and then drag it. Let's stir. Want to stir it?
I just mix till it's fully blended. If we over stir it, then the brownies will be hard.
Yeah, it's really, really hard.
You want to make sure you
them
get all the
soft.
chunks out, though.
You want them
No, there's
soft.
there's chocolate
chocolate
chunks
in
in
there?
there. Yeah,
You don't-
they're never gonna go away.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now we get to pour it into the bowl, guys.
You want to stir real quick?
I just really want
Go ahead, stir for a sec, Dre. Just stir it just a little bit.
I want to taste this really much.
It's the fun part. You got to eat the batter when it's lick the bowl when it's done.
Okay, Dad, you want to hold
Ready?
it so they can pour it in?
And then...
You want to use this?
Use the spoon and scrape the
Here you go.
brownie into the bowl.
Wait, should we get another one so I can do it too?
No, just go. You take turns. Go.
Help him, Drace. You didn't get to stir very much, so go
There
ahead
you
and pour.
Get it, Jason.
Get the spoon
You
and
can do
then
the rest, Dre.
scrape all. There
There you
you
go.
Up there
go.
too. Get it up there.
Get all that.
Rylann, move
There
your
you
head,
go.
baby.
With all that stuff.
Ooh, look at that. Almost had clean.
Yeah,
Dang, that's coming
good
straight
bowl.
off the bowl, I know.
we're not going to have anything to lick.
Yeah, I guess that's a bad thing for y'all.
Okay, here. Leave daddy assistance.
We get that stuff right there.
Okay, guys, we're going to pop this bad boy in the oven. Look at that. It looks good just like that.
Take all the stuff off. Now we get to look at it.
Hey, Belly, you You want to help us with the brownies?
We cannot.
Okay, Daddy's gonna pop it in the oven because it's hot.
And that cooks for what?
And then we are going to grab Mom's phone and turn the timer on
10 minutes.
for...
40 to 45 minutes.
1 to 45.
Oh my gosh, I have all these reminders. Let's see, where's the timer? Clock. How many minutes? 42?
40
45.
to 45.
So, timer for... Okay, the trick with these is to undercook them, so... If it says 40 to 45, we'll just do...
Why'd you put 1 hour?
Oh, I meant like that. I meant to move that one down. So we'll just do it right at 40. Start. All right, and we'll be back when it's done. And we'll let y'all know how it tastes, right?
It is real good.
How do you
right
think
now.
they're going to taste?
Good.
What about you?
Good. Well, we're already eating it, so.
Okay, now we got to eat dinner because it's just been over here waiting. So see you in a bit, guys. Okay. Hold on, let me get a closer view. Ooh, they look delicious. Is it ready?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I should turn the timer on.
Okay.
Just set it here so it doesn't burn the... Ooh. We'll let it cool down and then we'll show y'all what it's like and what we rate it after the taste test. They're done, guys, and they look so good. You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
You ready? You sure?
Are you ready, Freddy?
I am so ready, you guys.
Are you ready to watch? Are you ready? Are you ready for someone to open the brownie up and look inside the brownie? See how good it tastes.
I'm gonna make the brownies in the middle. Everyone can dig in.
Okay, I'm gonna cut mine open so they can see what it actually looks like. This is what it looks like inside.
I can't see.
Really, really good.
This little corner piece.
Here's a milk gray.
Ooh, yeah.
And here's the milk for you, Drace. Scooch over. Scooch
Can you
over.
see?
Let me get a good bite.
Mmm.
Watch out, it's hot.
Not
I'm
bad.
really good at this, guys. Look at this.
Their mom's the best.
I'm just kidding. I didn't make these. The kids made it. Let's see what it tastes like.
I think y'all did a good job, guys.
So good.
I'm proud of y'all.
I like only chocolate milk.
How you like it, Dre? Was it good?
I agree. It's so chocolatey. I need milk too.
Very rich.
Yeah, we're rich now.
Got you a little milk mustache. Uh-huh.
Reese's. I'm gonna give it infinite.
What do you rate it? From a 1 to 10.
Marshmallow.
The marshmallow? I don't think that was on the scale.
Marshmallow is on a scale because numbers are 1, so marshmallow.
What do you rate it, Rylann?
I rate it like.
Well, from 1 to 10, 10 being the best.
Hold on.
Since it's not my favorite dessert, I'm
guys are gonna eat it all.
I'm gonna give it a 5.
Wow.
A 5. Did you hear that, guys? These are. I wish you could taste it through the camera, but it's definitely more than a 5.
Okay, I'll give it like.
Baby.
I'll give it like a 7 or 6.
Okay. Well, that's because this one doesn't really care for brownies or sweets. Okay, so 1 through 10. What do you think? Is it really, really good or just okay?
Marshmallow is the best. Yeah.
No, what do you rate it?
It's very, very good.
Oh, okay.
So that's a 10? Or is that 20? It tastes like cookies when you try it in milk.
Kinda does. You guys, there's brownie all over my table. That's how my family eats.
Yeah, we're messy.
You just dropped it in your milk.
No. I'm driving you. There's a little of this.
Alright guys, say bye to the Apple family. Tell them thanks for making brownies with us.
Thanks for making brownies with